Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together. Hope all of you are doing awesome. Today I'm going to do a requested video, and this is about the gemstone opal, and this has been requested long time ago and I wasn't able to do it. I did the diamond, and diamond is the higher form and opal is the next level. Actually opal is much cheaper than diamond, but pretty much work the same way. So today's video I'm going to give some information regarding opal. So opal is the queen of all gems, and it is the most beautiful and colorful gemstone of all. Opal has been used for thousands of years for its beauty and its amazing healing properties. Opal name came from Latin word opus, which means precious stone. So opal has in it the flame of garnet. You know how garnet is like a dark red. Garnet, the beautiful purple color of amethyst, and the rich green color of emerald. Now all this color is mixed in opal. So some of the opals are like multicolor and they have the streak of all the color like rainbow. Now opal is hydrated amorphous form of silica, and the chemical composition is SiO2NH2O. Now its water content may range from 3 to 4% depending on its origin and its weight. And opal is a mineralide, so it's a mineral crystalline form of silica. Opal is the most beautiful, colorful rainbow stone in this world. Opal can be found in white, milky white, honey color, yellow, pink, orange, red, green, blue, brown, gray, black color, colorless stone. Opal can be opaque and translucent. There are many kinds of opal, but opal's density is 2.9 and refractive index is 1.5. And where the opals found mainly in Australia. Australian opal is the highest in demand. Australia supplies around 95% of world supply of precious opal. Next comes Ethiopia, and then Virgin Valley, Nevada, Mexico, United States, and in United States is Idaho also, and Czech Republic, Canada, Czechoslovakia, Hungary, Turkey, Indonesia, Brazil, Honduras, Guatemala, Nicaragua. So these places you can see opal. Opal is considered the birthstone for the people born in October. So opal, for the opal, the god is the Venus, the Friday, and that's the same god for diamond. As I mentioned, diamond is the higher form, more expensive. That's why some people do wear opal. Now there are many different prices on opal. Some are less expensive and some are very expensive. So opals are many different kinds. So since the opal goddess Lord Venus is supposed to be worn by the people on Friday facing east in the morning, they have to pray Om Namo Sukraya Namo, Om Namo Sukraya Namo 108 times. And before wearing opal ring, need to purify the ring, keeping in holy water whole night, or just wash it in holy water and then wear it. Diamond, people keep it whole night. And then opal can be worn in gold just like the diamond. And opal also has characteristics just like diamond, so the opal is supposed to be very good stone simply because it possesses the virtues of all the gemstones and all different colors. But some people, opal is very lucky and give them wealth, happiness, and all kinds of luxuries in life and love. But some people love career and everything, but some people, opal is very bad and it brought bad luck to them and even death. So now that's because opal is just like diamond. So when a person wear diamond, they need to be crystal clean just like the diamond. Their thoughts and actions and behaviors need to be clean like diamond. Same thing with opal. So suppose someone is having a lot of bad luck and bad things in life, if they wear opal, things are not going to turn around overnight, and they need to think first why they're having this bad luck or bad things happening to them. That must be due to some bad karma in the past life or even the present life, so they need to change those first. So the wearer of opal, since it associates with the Lord Venus, the wearer of opal needs to respect the elderly, the mom, the dad, and specifically the woman, elderly woman, and they need to develop a habit of respect, speak the truth, act on the truth, and be clean and clear inside, not have any evil thoughts. And then gradually as the person become good and nice and everything good about that person, the stone will change. So the stone will reflect the person's thoughts and behavior. So if the person is bad and wearing opal thinking everything will change, and that is not going to happen. Second thing, since this is exactly what I spoke in the diamond video, the stone will change you, so you have to bring the changes in yourself according to the stone. So since the opal gives all the good luck and is the queen of gems, so obviously opal expects all the good things, good behavior, respect towards elderly, towards parents and family, and good speech and all the good things, kindness, generosity, all the good virtues the humankind supposed to have. So once people install those, then opal will work better. So that's how opal works. Opal works pretty much like diamond, and wearing opal, many people had accidents and deaths and many evil things. So a lot of time opal was associated with the evil stone, but it is not evil stone. Same could go for diamond. Diamond could be associated with the evil stone where it is not, and only reason evil thing happened because the people who were wearing it actually had bad karma or did evil things or it had evil minds. Now opal is also same like diamond. It's not supposed to be stolen, it's supposed to be purchased from a legit source, has to be real opal, and then the person has to be good. So all these things associated with the working of opals. Now if all these things line up, then the person who wears the opal will have wealth, good job, success, happiness, longevity, good health, all the good things that comes with opal. And that's why it's queen of gems, because it has the good qualities, virtues, and the colors of all the gems. So opal is the truly queen of gems. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.